Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome in this video. Today we are going to learn how to upload a file using PHP. In this video, I will I will understand how the browser sends the file, how PHP receives the file, and how we store the file in our server. Before move forward, I will explain you the fundamental concepts will be used here which will help you a lot understand the coding part. Please listen this carefully. When a user uploads a file, three things will must happen. Number one, the browser sends the file to the server through a form. Number two, PHP receives the file temporarily. Number three, the we as a developer must move the file to a permanent location on the server. Why we have to move the file to permanent storage? Because PHP never saves the uploaded file permanently. Instead, it stores at temporary location. So we have to must store uploaded files into the permanent location manually. To do the coding part, I make the two files. The one is frontend.php and other is backend.php. And I save both files into the XAMPP server in htdocs folder. So let's do the coding part for the front end part, and I am using the post method because in form this is recommended to send the data. As in this video we are sending the file to the server by using the folder, so that's why we have to use the a special method to send the files to the server. Enctype, enctype type equal multipart / form data is used to send the file to the server, and this tells the browser that form will contain the file data. So let's start the coding part. Angular braces, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML, HTML, open close, head open close, body open close, and in the body form tag open and close. Action is an attribute of the formed HTML tag. It tells the browser after collecting the data where we want to submit that data. So I want to send that data to the backend for further processing. My file name is backend, backend, backend.php. We will be using post method, post, and enctype type equal multipart / form dash data. I will be taking the file only file. That's why I am using input type equal file, because I want to take the file from the user. Name equal user file. Name is the attribute and this file will be identified by using this identifier. You can say this is identifier which is used to identify the file in the backend. And then one submit button. I am taking br tag for line breaking and button tag. I am using button tag. Upload. I save it. Then I am going to the browser. This is the front end part. This is the front end part. The user will upload the file, and that file will go to the server, to the backend. And in the backend, I will receive the file by using PHP. Sorry, I write that code in backend file, so I cut and then paste into the front end. That's it. In the front end. When we say PHP will receive the file, a question arises here: how PHP will receive the file? Which keyword we are using? Which logic we will use to? And here is the answer. PHP receives the uploaded files through a special global variable called $_files. This variable is very important because it stores all the information of the uploaded files, like what was the name of the file, type of the file, temporary location of the file, file size, and something other type of information like file error. And this is very important. This line is very important. PHP stores the uploaded files into temporary location. We as a developer store the uploaded file permanently. How we will receive the file and how we will move into the permanent location. To do this job, I am writing the code using PHP, question mark, PHP, close question mark, and first I am checking if the file is uploaded. If the file is uploaded, then I will do the next job. $_files user file. This will check the file is uploaded or not. If the file is uploaded, store the name, original name of that file. Store the original name store the original name of that file into dollar my file. And as you already know, the PHP stores the file into temporary location. I also have to need the temporary location of that file. So I am storing the temporary location into temp file variable. dollar underscore files user file tmp temp underscore name. At this step, I have the original file name and the temporary location. Or I can say that I have the source. Now I have to write the destination, or you can say where I want to store the file. I want to store the file in a folder. I already make the folder into the XAMPP htdocs folder, XAMPP htdocs, and here is upload folder. At the time the folder is empty, I already made the folder. So I want to store the file into the upload folder. Upload my file dollar my file, and I store the path into variable name folder. I have the source and I have the destination. Now PHP gives the function called move underscore uploaded underscore file to move the file from source to destination. Move underscore upload underscore file. It takes two parameters, the source location, temp file, and the destination underscore folder, semicolon. And if the file is loaded successfully and stored permanently, then I will show the message, the file uploaded successful. File uploaded successful successfully, semicolon. Otherwise, I will show the file uploaded fails. Echo file upload failed, semicolon. Save it, and then I go to front end, refresh it. Oh, sorry. Choose the file, open, and then upload. Here the codes run successfully, file uploaded successfully is a message. Now and you can see the file uploaded successfully. So in this video, we will learn how to upload the file by using PHP, and at last I want to summarize the full workflow. At step 1, the user will select the file in the browser from the browser, and the browser sends the file to the server. Developers, we as a developer store the file permanently because PHP stores the uploaded file temporarily, and we moved the files to the uploaded folder. Now the file is permanently stored, and we learn the how to upload the file in PHP. We will We will see in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.